Thank you.
We're up on lesson plan again.
I will finish this by weekend because them kids are go off for the summer and I need them to come freshman them September morning.
Why? We should have a kids so you could have spend some of them time where you spend with other people picnic.
You ever they talk about kids? You know, me not feel like I want kids. Honestly, babe, do you want kids?
Of course, we want kids. What do you mean if we don't want kids?
Because we've been actually trying without even knowing that we're trying for years. I haven't taken a plan B. I haven't been on the pill for so long, and then honestly, I'm just stressed out with all the miscarriages that I've had over the years. So I don't know.
Well, you know, so nothing wrong with me, you know, man, because this is a fire. So nothing wrong with me, so.
Excuse me? So you're saying something wrong with me? That's exactly what you're saying, you know.
No, but
every time we have a miscarriage, I can see it in the eye that you think I'm broken or something. And sometimes you just do some insensitive things. You say some insensitive things. What do you mean nothing wrong with you? So something is wrong with me?
Listen up, we never mean it like that, you know. Honestly, we never mean it like that. But sometimes we can just go to the doctor and probably see what them can say about it. You know? But nothing wrong with it, babes. Sorry if I come off away, but nothing wrong with it. Yeah?
Are you serious about this?
You know, things that we want like a picnic for run up and so things that me feel work so hard and have one picnic.
I mean, all my friends have kids and I'm around kids all day, so of course I want my own. But do you have time because you're always working, babe? Being a contractor is a lot on your plate already, and I don't want to do this by myself. I had to go through my miscarriages by myself.
Babe, so why you make it sound like that? What do you mean you go through your miscarriage by yourself?
I did. You were working.
Yeah.
And I felt like, honestly, you took on more work when it happened. You went overseas. You found everything and everywhere else to be but here. So it's such a lot of pressure.
But
it's a lot of
life funny, you know? Life funny. Funny bad.
It's about life is funny.
Cause look for your friend, even your friend Jovi will have 9 pitney. Eh?
Jovi is very fertile and Jovi she can afford that time to take care of 9 kids. You are very busy and you're gonna leave her to do it by myself.
9 pitney and 9 baby father.
Are you doing my friend? You know Jovi don't like you already, you know. And I'm not gonna sit here and make a discuss her. Anyways, you want us to go to the doctor? Is that serious?
Alright. I'm gonna go have a shower and then probably can go down there.
I think I'm gonna have a shower with you.
Okay, so we'll start it. Oh shit. Help me them, boss. Help me them, boss. Help. Oh, come here. Do it, yeah, man. Give it here. Carry back in. Carry back in. Come slow, please. Respect my boss, yeah? Respect.
Knock out,
Yeah, man, she alright. She alright, I know. She alright, I know. Walk, come on.
babes, come on, you're too beautiful. Stop choosing yourself. Everything alright. I understand what the doctor say, but everything alright.
Everything is not gonna be alright. I can't have kids. I can't have bring forth my own children, our children.
Babes, that's just the doctor telling you that. That's just the doctor telling you that.
Oh, so you can get another opinion, is what you're saying?
We can probably change or not change the doctor because not every doctor fully have the same knowledge.
Listen, we've been trying for so long. You are telling me say the doctor finally give you a diagnosis and we ignore that. Accept reality. I can't have your children. It's time to think about
Well,
alternative means now.
so why alternative? What am I supposed to do?
I don't know.
What am I supposed to left it now because I can't have picnic for me?
If you
No.
want to,
What do you mean if you want to, Crystal? What do you mean? What that's supposed to mean? I love you, you know, babes. You think that because you can't get one picnic or one two picnic means that me I go left you? Eh? For who come take over a job? Eh? Don't me I build my house properly?
I'm done with the miscarriages. I'm done. I'm done.
Stop trying to say, man. No worries. But you can try adoption and
Adopt what?
just
You know much things can go wrong with adoption?
what could have possibly go wrong?
For one, we can get a mad pitney, a pitney with mental health issues, and that's gonna be way harder on us. For two, we can get pitney with serial killer genes. Pitney when not so bright. I don't want to risk all of that. And then I want our genes together. I want a mini you, a mini me. I need my glad you take the time out to like show me say appreciate me same way, but I need some time for myself. Like I need to process all of this. So I just want to go home right now and just
All right. Let's go home. I have a nice little warm bath and get something to eat.
Lady Jovi.
What's up?
Nothing want going.
Alright, you good?
Alright.
Oh, that sounds so.
Honestly, I don't know, I just feel depressed in a way because just come back from doctor with Johnny and the doctor make me know say me and him genes combine very unlikely for have a child and for have a successful pregnancy, much less a child that is fully developed. And it just have me a think it does even
My God, I'm sorry to hear, but you can't be so hard on yourself. You know, they're up, right? If
me,
it happens
cons-
that you guys,
me consider options like adoption and but honestly me no want nobody pit me. Honestly, just want to make sure so everything alright with the child.
but there's a way, you know, about surrogacy.
Surrogacy.
Yeah, like someone carrying your child for you. It would
Are
work out that it's yours and Johnny baby.
how much money for that day? Jaja.
You can check it out. I know a friend that does it, so I can ask her, get the details, and let you know the process.
Yeah. So basically it would be like my DNA and Johnny
And
DNA.
Johnny, yes, yeah. So if you're up to that, I can speak to her and let you know.
Man not like my friend, I miss you bad. You come like nobody around me not understand what me I go through. I can't talk to my mother, I can't talk to my mother-in-law, I can't talk to Johnny. So it's like
Come see you, my friend. Don't worry yourself. Work just have me busy. But I am coming to look for you and spend a couple of days with you, all right? And we can talk and talk further about the whole procedure, the thing. So just take it easy. Until you
Alright.
see me, we come talk and have fun. You know, a long time we want to go beach and haven't gotten the chance to do that. So I'm gonna come down and we'll chill, alright?
Alright, mama. Alright, me I go as you talk about beach too. Me I go try get myself on a river or something cause honestly from with them I just feel salt. So me I go try get some wash off.
You need to pray, man.
Yeah,
The beach a prayer.
facts.
Wanna come what's up in one of them river that's, you know. Cause the time so hot.
So hot. Oh my god. So I waiting no work.
But yeah, work. The time kind of slow right now. You know, I'm getting like a break, but I'm
Yeah.
at work.
Alright, me go make you get back to it and if anything I call you, I make you know how the plan go. Me I talk to Johnny about it and so.
Yeah, man, talk to me, let me know, and then I'll call the girl and make you know because it was a
Yeah.
food thing for her. So
Alright. Alright. Thanks, mama.
no problem.
Later.
Later.
Hey, honey.
Hey, baby.
Kind of sweaty still. How was it though?
I missed you. Baby, you know me not like when I go up on the bed with it work clothes, man. Alright.
I'm good, man. I'm just tired, but um, like in a bed whole day today, man.
Yeah. Kinda just I feel myself from, you know, kinda hard to talk to you about it because I don't feel like you understand what I go through right now.
What do you mean?
As a woman, the one thing we're supposed to can do is bear and carry children. And somehow I gonna miss out on that because something wrong with me and you or with genes together. It's like the universe are telling me say me and you don't belong together.
No,
Or
no. Listen, sometimes the universe can wrong, isn't it? Sometimes the universe can wrong in the babes. And you can't have no baby. Probably I just it's not the time yet.
not the time yet. I had 3 miscarriages.
That don't mean nothing. Cause you have some girl with dash her belly how much time and they still get a chance with another chance we bring her another child.
When I
So
get
no,
older, you know,
babes, not gotta be so hard for yourself.
when I get older and still when I have a little Johnny or a little Crystal, nothing for give all our work for two. Just steady.
You know, I don't really like the adoption thing. But I think I can think about it. Babes, look. We can just adopt one young one, probably 2-year-old and start from there. So
From my genes and your genes, it not gonna make no sense. That's why I want marry your genes together.
more
I
on
was
that.
talking to Jubby today, and I know you not agree with the way how Jubby live her lifestyle and all, but she mentioned um surrogacy,
So you
and
see,
it's something that we can look into. I think it would be suitable for our situation, seeing as I am still young, my eggs are okay, your sperms are okay. So what we would do is basically just combine with DNA in somebody else and have them carry the baby for us instead of going alternative where we can get, you know, all sorts of bad DNA from other people and the history and all of that from other people is just too much for work with.
so we now have to go fly girlfriend for that.
No, I don't think so. There are procedures here. The problem is just finding the right person. Because I want someone who is very intuitive, protective, and someone who is willing to let go
Yes, man.
once the baby is here.
I have to really think about them something too. Because me no want go put my egg in our feet next female when
You have egg now?
you know me I thought. You know me I thought. You know I'm gonna put my sperm in our next female and then we are generation from 30 generation.
You're not mixing with her genes. You're mixing it with my genes. She's just carrying the baby. So it not have nothing to do with her.
Alright, babes. Any anything for you. Alright? Any decision you make, I'm a full support. Alright? I'm gonna be hard for yourself. Please. Understand. Can't try again now.
So, Mr. That little baby upon it, you see the side. And me I said, me I wonder if, me not understand. The baby just a wander on the place. Me I wonder if a Ufa baby.
So you don't know our parents?
Me no know
Hello?
her, no way. Me I go see her. And me see me a walk past and me just stop and I try to figure out more or less, you know, understand?
What's your name? Layla? Layla? What's your mommy name? You don't know your mommy name? Do you see your mommy? Do you see your daddy? Where is he? Over there? Alright, let's see if we can find him over there.
Thank you very much.
This is daddy?
No man, here we go. You know I know say I just put her down 1 minute and just turn me back and by the time me turn me back, me no see her. Thank you for finding her, man. Alright, thank you. No. You alright, mommy?
Alright, you're a pretty girl.
Alright, love you.
Miss, so this how you know say she lost.
Me see her by herself. So me figure more or less that she lost.
Well, that's very good instincts though. You're a mother?
No. Me no mother, but me I tell you, me just see the little baby and I feel like say something is definitely wrong.
Alright, that's nice. And it's so surprising to me that you're not a mother and have them instincts there. That's wonderful. So you plan on having children anytime soon?
Yeah, but not right now. I just go on too long.
You have a boyfriend?
Yeah, I have a boyfriend.
No. So him no want a kids?
Not yet. Cause the children be young, we just take good look at things and level and go on.
Okay. Well, that's very, very commendable still. The fact that you saw her and you didn't know that she was yeah. How would you feel to like have a baby for somebody else though? Would you be open to that possibility, like someone paying you to have their child?
Miss, what kind of nastiness will come to me at all?
No. It's not nastiness, you know. Is okay. So it's like a medical procedure where I would put my husband's sperm and my egg inside you. So it's not, you know, it's nothing crazy.
Hold on. Me don't know you. Me don't know your man. So, oh, you want me to just get up and do that?
No, man. I love that you're so curious about it, and I just wanted to know, like, it's not anything sexually. You're not gonna be having sex with me or my husband.
Just come straight and plain. But you come to
I
me.
am plain.
I bullshit you come to me. You
I
want
am plain. It's a medical procedure. I would pay you 500,000 before.
also me I get money towards it then.
Yes, of course.
But you should have put little more money and you should have come little more stronger.
The 500,000 is just for before, so that we get the procedure up and running. Then after, you'll get the next half.
Never work with you, but remember say never. Woman talk to my mother about this, you know.
No problem. I wouldn't have it any other way. So I'm gonna give you my number. Do you have a phone?
Me just tell me your number.
You sure you're gonna remember it?
Yeah, me remember.
Alright, let me take yours.
Alright, you ready for my number now?
Alright, go ahead.
876-323-7754.
Alright. And you said it's Kisa, right?
Kisa.
So I'm gonna set up a meeting with you and my husband, and then I'll get back to you, okay? Alright. Thanks.
Okay. Mommy, evening.
Evening. Kisa, how you look so happy? You get a job today?
You wish me to get on that, say? But mommy, you don't know, say, me meet a woman today. And the woman want me breed for her man. Yes, the woman want me breed for her man.
What you say?
Mommy, me say, the woman want me breed for her man.
Where you know this one from?
Mommy, me know the woman from nowhere, you know. I just sit down, mommy. And the woman come to me, nice and decent. I tell me her problem, them say she can't get pregnant. She want me to get pregnant. Look for me, mommy. Young pitney like me. Oh, me forget up and just go breed for a woman, man. Me not even know if... Mommy.
Kisa, stick up in. When the woman asks you that question, what you answer until her say?
Mommy, I'm cussing about me and...
What you say? Kisa, when the woman asks you that the question there, she go get pregnant for her husband, what you tell her say?
Mommy, me tell the woman yes.
You tell the woman yes?
Yes, mommy, me tell the woman yes. Mommy, listen now. Listen.
You don't know a woman from nowhere. And you Go make agreement with woman. If you go breed for your husband.
Mommy, we are getting money, you know.
Money.
It's not like say me I go sleep with the man or not like that. And me I go have no intercourse with the man. Me just I go have a pitney and give them a pitney.
Hello. So man just all look for you and you get pregnant. Look, girl. You go tell me say you now go have sexual intercourse with the woman husband.
Mommy,
how you go
listen.
get pregnant?
Mommy, listen. Them I go care my God doctor. And them I go inject his sperm and whatever. I saw me I go get pregnant, mommy. Me not sleep with the man.
Lord Jesus, shut up your mouth. Me no bring no idiot come here and you look like a little fool. See there you start talk like a son damn jackass. Where you come from? Eh? Me I wonder if I suck then suck here in the hospital. Come, me no bring no idiot come.
I'm money.
Mommy,
money.
At the money.
Give them a pitney when the baby born. I just 9 months now.
Oh, yeah. See, they've gone too far. Away the war. Look here. Isa, careful away they do. Be careful away they do. So you never pregnant yet. Young green girl like you. Eh? And know you want to get pregnant for one woman. So want to she? She can breed for her husband.
She can't get pregnant, mommy.
Oh, you can prove that there. People just look on you and tell us in a road and you just accept it so and make a big old agreement that you make your sign contract. You go breed for woman husband. So you never breed yet. And the first time you go have one picnic in your life, you know some grand picnic that?
Yeah,
what you go do with it? Can you go give them?
Just can
so me now go see that the picnic they know time. Oi. You idiot or you fool? Isa, careful away you do. Because you see them the road the way they go on, you know walk yourself. Which country you come from? I could never Jamaica.
I'm money, mommy. You not understand, mommy. The money. The money, mommy, the money. Me just go have a baby and give them a baby, you know, mommy.
You listen to yourself. Me say if you listen to yourself. You hear what you just say? Or you just tell me anything. I wonder if I joke you the neck. Eh? Cause what kind of story this you come home? Lord Jesus Christ. What kind of story this you come home with? Oh, you fi meet woman on road where you don't know from nowhere. All out of the blues. You not even know if this woman is original. Eh? And she come and use her head.
We sit down and we talk about it, mommy. I just the money we are gonna get. And a little bit of money, now, mommy. And a little bit of money.
How much money? No want hear how much money. Because sake of money, you turn idiot. Sake of money, you is a fool. Sake of money, you go have your pitney. We come out of your home, where God bless you with, and you give it to somebody. Oh, you know, say, after having that child, and you give it to somebody sake of money, you sure say you can breed again? Eh? So, congratulations. Me care one idiot on earth.
Mommy, just calm down. Listen to me. Calm down. $1 million them I give you. Half before me get half when me pregnant. When me then know I'm pregnant, them sure I'm pregnant. And then the next half are when me carry the baby, mommy. Mommy, it will benefit me and you, mommy.
Oi. Take me out there. Benefit we, it a benefit you. That are my grandchild. You could they get $10 million fee. No put me in there.
Mommy, listen, just hold on. Remember, so when me bring a baby, me go give them a baby. It's not like say me I got in no connection with them. Me not have their number. Me not have no contact with none of them, mommy. Me just have a baby, give them and then after me and you.
I swear as me the right here, so me swear. Me I swear upon God life say you is an idiot. Why you there really meet somebody out of the blues? You don't know them, man, because what you say I do suffer? Are you not working? And that you tell me?
Mommy.
Oi. Same old God.
Mommy.
Which country you come from, little girl?
Mommy, yeah.
There's something they not happening in Jamaica.
Alright, you know happening in Jamaica, mommy. You see nobody work for $500,000 in Jamaica? Then if we get $1 million, mommy, and me and you to benefit, mommy.
Me and you? Take me out there. I know me and you at all. First of all, you never breathed from your man. No, you are going to breed for somebody, man. And that is my grandchild. And you go give it away. And me not go see it. No time in my life. And you tell me, say, I feel me and you. Go to hell with that money. That money curse. That is my grandchild. It will be my grandchild. If you know me, know you know about that do it. Then you know that money yet?
You know, mommy, just forget about it. Me sorry me did ever bring up no argument to you about no pregnancy and no money. Me just sorry so me come to you with all of this. Me sorry. Cause you see me now work and it'll benefit me and it'll benefit you. Just me sorry, sir.
All your life, you live with me. And me carry you for 9 months. You never turn no idiot yet. And no because of money. You want to go breed to people, man, for money. You is a fool. Come out of your house. If you think, say, because of money, me I go make you live under this roof here. You see when you breed for that them man there, if you go make for them life happy with your child and for them pick me, you know. How they, me not understand.
Mommy, me sorry.
Who to telephone and lay they tell her take you and go take with the woman husband?
Mommy, no, listen.
Go on out.
Me sorry.
Wanna commit fornication and wanna do adultery. Go on out of the house and go think first before you come back to me. You're out hard and know what. You see you, Kisa, when you get some sense, you come back to me. Because that the pitney there would have been my grandchild. And now you go give him away. So for pitney. Jesus help me, God.
Hi. Come on. Did I eat peanut, man?
Yeah, you want and I'm gonna
Fine.
Yeah, succeed.
Excuse me.
Oh, sorry.
As you know, I'm Crystal, and this is my husband Johnny, and we both just want to, meet with you first and see how you're doing and all. How are you?
I'm fine.
All right, so Johnny, this is a young lady I was telling you about. I met her at Wise Falls, and she was so incredibly intuitive, with that young baby, and I think she'd make a really good match for us. You ordered alcohol earlier?
Yes, I did.
All right, so I was doing some research and I also spoke with the doctor, and they're letting me know that that's a no-no going forward. As of today, you just have to consider yourself a nun.
You don't smoke?
basically.
No, I don't smoke.
No, sure, I don't think she should do that. So no alcohol as of today. You said you have a boyfriend. Unfortunately, you can't have sex with him because that might complicate things. Can't have sex with anyone, actually. Yeah. In the later part of the pregnancy, I'm thinking about having you move in with us so that we can monitor you. But let's just see how things develop, in the earlier stage. Just see how our relationship is, what's it like, and all of that. Are you still thirsty? Do you need anything to drink?
No, I don't need anything.
You sure?
I'm sure.
What's your living situation like? Are you living with your boyfriend?
No, I live with my mom.
Oh, okay, nice. And your mom is receptive of all of this, right? You talked to her about it, and
Yes, I did. I already talked to her.
Good,
This would be your
because-
first pregnancy?
Basically, yes.
yeah, she told me that. So basically, your mom, you have to reason with your mom and let her know to help you out a room, because you can't be lifting heavy stuff and all of that with your pregnancy. So we're good on the decision, are we, babe?
Question about the money part now. It's just the one.
All right, so like I said, you're gonna be getting half before, so you're gonna be getting 0.5 million before the procedure. So that will be sent as soon as you're inseminated. You can send me your bank details and all of that, and we'll have that sent over for you. And then after the baby is born and healthy and everything, we'll send you the next half.
So you have to be very careful, because you're actually carrying a baby. This is not no normal pregnancy.
Hold on, babe. Are you good with that?
$1 million.
Yes.
Like, just you're gonna stick with the $1 million, nothing above.
Are you negotiating? Do you want more?
Yes.
That's something that we'd have to discuss, right, babe? Like,
Yeah.
we talk to each other about that.
Because
and-
it kind of depend on like a budget, honestly.
yeah.
We never know.
Carry a baby for 9 months, it's not that easy.
And I know, trust me, I know. I've carried my longest pregnancy for 6 months. so I know what you're gonna be going through. But we're gonna be there for you every step of the way. Anything you need, I'm like a sister to you. Don't be afraid to contact me if anything, or my husband. Except I don't want you contacting either of us separately, like meeting up with either of us separately. Each meeting that you have with any one of us, the other party must know.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
But why can't you answer something like that, though?
Because, you know, I don't know what my mother got think and remember so we don't agree with this already, you know. And my mother don't know nothing about it. So I'm kinda worried. I mean I go stress out.
But look, I don't want you to stress yourself, you know. Honestly, I don't want you to stress yourself.
So honestly, everything is under control, right?
Everything is under control. Just wait. I don't join that. Wait, why the sister husband? I don't know a clinic with one ex girl. What was I stop? Krista, why be there work and me just see job? When me just see your husband? Yeah, your husband still there. Cause this still look good here.
Hello.
Hello,
Good evening.
Evelyn.
I'm looking for a Kisa. She lives somewhere half the stretch, but I don't know which house exactly.
She live a white pink house over there.
Oh, this one, the pink one.
Yeah, we see boss.
All right, thank you.
Okay.
Hello.
Hi.
I'm looking for Kisa. Your neighbor just told me that she live right here, this pink house.
And who are you, ma'am?
I have some business with her, you know. She lives here.
Yes, I right here, so she live. You have any message, you can leave it with me because I'm her mom.
Oh, okay.
I'm your mother.
So I'm not sure how much you know about this, but you know that she's a surrogate for a family, right? So
Sorry, who?
a surrogate, somebody who carries.
What do you mean, ma'am? What do you mean?
Okay, so somebody who carries like babies for a family, and then they give it to the family after the term. So she's doing that for my family, my husband and I. So we're actually having some.
Miss, what you just said? What you just said to me? I don't hear so good. What you said?
She's having a baby for me and my husband. You didn't know?
My daughter, Kisa. I have one baby for you and your husband. Jesus Christ.
I am so sorry. I thought you knew.
Miss, me hear about it, but me no know say she do it because me want her. So you she did that talk about.
Can you take your time and talk? Because we don't really want to catch everybody's attention. But I really I didn't want to do anything like this because I like discretion. But I'm having a bad feeling about the entire deal. And I wanted to talk to her about it because she's seen my husband without me. And I don't appreciate that. In the beginning, we have a contract. We say that we're not supposed to, have contact without she seeing one or the other, which means me or my husband. And she saw my husband a whole day today, and I've been contacting her, and she's not answering me. And it's honestly shady.
What are you trying to say to me? My daughter and your husband they together? And that you trying to say?
I don't want to make any accusations, but it looks fishy. I don't want to point anything.
look fishy.
It does.
How fishy? Because I want you make sure, because me need to talk to her about this. She not there here and thank you for telling me, because me tell her that she not fi do it. So, miss, you give her money for do it?
Yeah, I gave her. I thought that you knew.
Me no hinna them the jing bang story there. Them the kind of walla them me no hinna hit me love. Because me nah go do that to myself, so me not tell my daughter if go do that.
So you don't know. So she's living with you and you don't know that she's pregnant.
Me don't know how that for young belly. Because no belly nah show it nor nothing.
She was at the clinic today with my husband.
Who? Jesus Christ. God. Miss, thank you for telling me. But me sorry say you do it.
Can I get your number? I need to be in contact with you more often.
Hold on, miss. You know say it's a banger me have. And it don't have no chip. So me not have no number. As soon as me buy one SIM card, I will try and give you the SIM card. If you come back, the SIM card number.
It's all right. I'll get you a SIM card. Is that okay? I'll get you a SIM card. I need to be in contact with you. No, it's not taking anything
I don't
from
want
you.
anything from you, miss, because see it there right now. God Almighty, see it there now. Me one daughter. She gonna take money from Uno. She get pregnant, and when the baby come, me now go see it and my grandchild. So me and that the picnic, they not go nothing.
No. It's not your grandchild. It's not her kids. It's my egg and my husband's sperm. So it's biologically our
So your
kid
husband's sperm gone in my daughter body?
and my egg.
They no bench she been up there now. Lord have mercy. Miss, let me say something to you.
What's your name, miss?
My name? Mm-hmm. Me not like give stranger my name, you know.
That's okay.
Just call me Kisa too. Cause if you're gone in just Christ with me daughter. Why you give me daughter money if you go get pregnant for your husband, miss? Then what to you? What happened to you? Why you never breed for your husband?
That's personal.
It's personal.
Listen to me. I have a mother.
And I'm daughter, you make your husband go breed. And
She's an adult, but I am telling you that I'm having this challenge right now and I needed to talk to her. That's why I need your number. Listen to me. I have a mother and I know that my mother would not be so thrilled about me having an operation.
Suppose a one egg God bless her with. No, your peer if you get pregnant, then the picnic now go be fair. Me now go have no grand picnic. I want to take you and gone with it.
I'm sorry that this is such a shocker to you.
I might know you want to have none. As me tell you before, is a banger me have no SIM card. As soon as me get one SIM card, maybe me give you the SIM card or me take the number after you if you come back.
Okay. All right. I just wanted to make sure
but remember,
that you're understanding.
Marco, me the mark X seater. X. Me no in you and Kisa jing bang story. Me no in it because me dey tell her
You're going to be in it because if there's a breach of contract, it's going to include law enforcement. So I'm involving you right now.
I bind up the spirit of wickedness against your tongue right now because who to telephone force me daughter to do it. And because she not working, she take your money.
All right. I see that this conversation is going nowhere. So I'm going to go, okay? Okay. Yeah. Thank you for your time.
Look up for your body.
Good evening.
Hey, baby. How was work?
It's okay. What time now? Wait. How come you reach home so early?
A little thing going on work today, man. That's why. Come on.
A little thing.
Yeah. When I chuck them, the tire bust, so you end up after call Jason to come put on the tire.
Okay. So that's how we're going to work today?
Mm.
So other than that, What else are you?
You go by the apartment.
Okay.
When the tenant them, if it pipe then room and flood out the place. So,
Oh. So like you had a full day, man.
yeah.
And I don't know what else.
Wait, huh?
What else you hear from Keisha?
Peace out.
I've been texting her from her and I'm not hearing from her. You heard from her?
Pardon, me not hear from Keith up. Me not hear from so.
Excuse me? You don't hear nothing from Keisha? From when?
Wait, Crystal, where is this coming from?
Where you got coming from? Asking you, have you heard from our surrogates?
Crystal, since you our surrogate got out of the last time, I haven't heard or seen our surrogate since then. But where is this coming from, Crystal?
Where is what coming from? I'm asking you when you last spoke to our surrogate because I haven't heard from her and you've been told no.
Crystal, first thing first, I shouldn't be the one calling and checking on her, you know, because she's actually bringing the baby for you. It's my baby, but she's bringing it for you. She's the carrier. So you shouldn't even be the one checking on her. So I don't know where you get
Okay,
this
why
from.
are you getting offensive? Why are you getting defensive?
Because you ask me a question and I answer you and you still repeat and repeat and repeat. Crystal, what is the matter? What is it?
So you're telling me you haven't seen or heard from the young lady?
No, I haven't seen or heard from her. What's the matter for her? It's not like you're taking for some lie I didn't Crystal. I mean, I understand where all of this coming from. Like where they just come up with them as they just come in and I think ask what's for dinner and or they come and ask.
You say you haven't seen her, right?
Me not see her. Me not see her.
Okay, listen to this.
Husband, Crystal, when the day at work, this is your husband. I don't want this girl actually. Like, girl, you ever see what they hold your problem? Crystal, you're husband still there. One was your husband still with them, cause we don't want you to know, cause if you hear about this, you will see what I'm looking across. So tell me right now. Yeah, your husband still there, cause we don't want you to come to there, cause no problem. So that's why I'm the advice now to first.
Monsieur think Debbie did have a one boy and one girl, yeah. Never know say a two girl. You know, say brother mix up.
So that's what you're focused on. I just thought you in a lie. Whereas you told me countless times, you told me 3 times specifically that you have not seen the surrogate. And you were spending the all afternoon today with the surrogate. And I play a voice note of someone who saw you at the clinic. And we agreed that we would all be at every single doctor's visit. So what's going on? What's being hidden? I don't understand.
All right, honestly, Crystal, I don't think we need to lie to you, but honestly, something happened today. But we just never really want to tell
What
you.
happened?
She did their work and she slide and drop and it worried me and me end up having to leave work and work, bring her to the clinic.
Okay, but I haven't gotten one missed call from either of you to say that something is wrong with her and the baby and she's at the doctor. Nothing.
Babes, come on, it happens so fast, I never even remember. But then again, it digital service, them not really work everywhere, no, they don't pick up everywhere. Digital service don't pick up everywhere. So that's one of the reasons why they probably they call them, but they don't go through.
Really? That's your excuse? You did not call me. Show me the missed call. Show me the call where you called me. You did not call me. Why did you lie to me?
All right, babes. It's not even me. It's Keisha. So she never really want to worry you. So she call me. That's why I mean never really babe. You know something I really mean for lie to you. And what I never really want you to worry either. Because you know all work I really have your stress and everything. I mean, if I run back, go walk up at the apartment, you know, because I that one there when she call me, so I just run out, but I just see come quick, grab one like something quick here, so.
Yeah, eat already.
No, you can prepare lunch dinner until I come back. Me not take long.
Alright.
Can be done. I'm wait until I come here.
Alright.
Babes, sorry if I lie to you, but I don't know if you worry about here.
Okay.
Yeah, man. I didn't come back up because if I know one thing, me move that woman out of my place, you know, babes. Me move him out of my place, man, because when me go in the bathroom, man, in the bathroom, and I come like, you know, and wash it, you know.
And
Like,
she
you know,
so feisty.
I tell her to backside.
Mommy, me go in a house and realize say you're not in a house and you don't know back. Wash.
You take your two big bulk here, them and say, wash me, they wash. And hang out clothes and come and ask me if I wash me, I wash. Me fi answer you.
So, mommy, what? So you talk to me, so what?
Where you coming from?
Mommy, me just did the out this up.
From morning, me they wash with me two and them we God give me. Because me can't afford a machine. And you take yourself gone out of the yard and just come back and come ask me if I wash me, I wash. You're blind? Where you did there? Me I wonder for the people them husband you go look for.
Mommy, you just come and talk about the people their husband. Every minute you just talk about the people their husband. What you talk about?
Hold on there. So how husband if you talk with you did married? Me never know. You no married. First of all, you can't tell me the other day, say, you meet woman on road, woman asks if you breed for your husband, and then go give you money. You did tell me that? No, me can't say na yard all of a sudden. Where you coming from?
Mommy, me did good on people doing.
You see it? See it there. So that Jesus. You see you little girl? You not easy, you know? You not easy. Kisa, look how me warn you and tell you, say, don't do it. Me no know about them they sitting there going in a Jamaica. And all because of money. The greed of money. And you can't wait until you get a proper job. You have to take your people their money. And now you're going to breed for the woman husband. So you're not going to feel no way if you have the one picking in your life and give away. And you don't know, you sure say you can breed again? Eh? After that, the one breed, the way you breed?
So, mommy, where you come off for? Where you come off from?
You don't understand what me just say? A whole heap of people get pregnant one time for the first time in their life and then dash away belly. Me just show you one example. Dash away and for the rest of their life, they might try to breed and can't breed. You know. Go and breed for somebody husband. When you give away the child, that the question me they ask you no. How you know? Can you prove it? Or you know say you go can get pregnant again if you have one picnic around you?
Mommy, with God, all things are possible.
Everybody knows that all things are possible through Christ Jesus who strengthens us. But you're an idiot. Who they strengthen you? You think me an idiot? Eh? You take me for one piece of fool. No wonder why you can't stay in a yard. You know say, the man wife come on me yard to me and tell me say she pay you how much money.
A man wife come on your yard. I am for come here.
Will you repeat back what me say for? You hear what me say? You need to answer me. Don't repeat back nothing what me say to you. Just answer me, little girl. You done breed for the man already. And it's not your husband. You have to go breed for somebody husband. What kind of mother you be? Let me tell you something. The only somebody me I call them because right now dog act like they can talk and do everything. The only thing me know upon earth, breed and give away and breed and dash away, breed and sell, them picnic is dog. Are you a puppy?
Hold on there.
Well, auntie. Not because you're my mother, no, you know. Well, auntie. You're trying to disrespect me now. You're trying to disrespect me.
Where the money there?
The money there bank, put down. Money there bank. Mama say, I'll fight me get ready now, mommy. So I put down I'll fight a bank.
And like the woman can't tell me then. You take money from the woman and go put it on a bank. You have plans. So you You have plan? Me say if you have plans for the woman husband.
Alright, mommy, you still like come to say you disrespect me. I'm gonna just come out of your way, come out of your sight and just you're done with me. Just gonna
You see, it's a little fool. Young, stupid and fool. And then go and breed for people husband. And I can tell me, say, true, you get 500,000. Me I come out of your place and me go rent this.
But mommy,
how do you think 500,000 can serve you?
Remember say half of that me get, you know. So when the baby born and then take the baby now, me get the next half, you know, mommy.
That a 1 million?
Yeah.
And 1 million can serve you for the rest of your life. And that they believe. You know what? Yes. Take your clothes them, your drawers, everything, all your toothbrush with the teeth, them a drop out of it and come out of my plate. If I did do, I don't wash them too. Look here. What? Come out of me, girl. You're damn bright out there that can style me. See, 500,000 you get already and I come boast about the other 5. I hope you serve you for the rest of your life. If you come back in my yard, what the hell and powder house? When the man make up his mind and go back to his wife and run you out, you're dirty rich.
Hello. Wait, do you know how long the out of the bus stop sit down and wait? But the others are over hour now, I wait upon you. Which part you there? How long you take to reach? But the out are too long now. I'm ready, man. The sun does hot. I'm just coming. Just hurry up and come. I can't bother.
I don't know complications you have again.
No, I don't really want a complication like that because my mother find out everything.
So you never talk to her about it?
Yeah, I talk to her about it, but it's because I go behind her back go do all of this. She just put me out. I'm not have nowhere else to go. What me I go do?
See, that's one of the reasons why, so when time I reach certain years and I left high school, first thing I have to do is think of leaving the parents' house. Because this is disrespect. I understand, so you live under a roof and they get pregnant, they're not like a picnic. And she put you out for that. A joke thing your mother there for.
I behind her back I do all of this, you know.
It no matter behind her back, I still joke thing, you're a big woman. You can never call my wife and tell her.
Call your wife? I don't feel comfortable doing that, calling your wife. I'm much more comfortable and feel more secure calling you. Why am I call your wife?
I understand, but remember, say, at the end of the day, is she really make this possible, you know? She come to you first, and she make me know you. So if you do not know, now this put me in a very tight spot, you know? Because even yesterday, I don't know who down at the clinic go know, say, go see me and you down there. And me kill me dead, say, I Lily brother when you have a walk down there. Tell him. You see me? See me the whole day.
Oh, so maybe that make she know say all of that happen.
Oh, boy. Well, yeah, come on, we figure out this, because at the end of the day, that picnic there for me, you know. And I don't sleep on our road, so come on. You understand? You eat already?
No, I'm not eat it.
Alright, come on, go get us something to eat. Because I don't know what kind of mama that they have. Eh? How she wicked so? I don't know how she fi having daughter and because in daughter breed in run him out. Eh? That's crazy. That's a madness. Madness. Alright, come.
Alright, let me call Crystal and come here. Just wait a second. Crystal. I have something to tell you. I don't know how I feel about it still, but keys are outside.
Which key said the surrogate?
Yeah, the surrogate.
So we shared outside.
Well, funny enough, you know, our mother put her out.
What have to do with you? Why you have to be the one to go pick her up and bring her in our matrimonial home? Does that make sense to you?
Crystal.
But tell us, there's something going on with you and her now.
There's nothing going on.
So what do you mean? Why you take her up and bring her here? And you not even consult me on anything, you just bring her here. So I mean, I deserve respect now.
She's bringing a baby for us, Crystal. Stop behave like that now.
So because she bring her baby for us, that means that she must take full advantage of you, my husband.
Alright. You tell her mother she a breed. Supposing she never want her mother to know she a breed. And you tell her, and now you make her mother put her out. What you expect me to do? Am I pitting in that the belly there, you know?
Okay.
And you, she a carry the pitting for it. So it's like say me breed you, but she breed.
Tweedledum. That is where she getting her strength from. Because you're gonna let me know that you're gonna ask me, oh, me for tell fear mother. Then if she's breeding, if she has conceived, if she is carrying a child, does that mean that everybody in her household must not know that she's carrying a child? Suppose she have to lift heavy things. That is not a secret that you keep from your mother, just in case you never know that. So it had to be done. And why I went to her mother, I know that's the question. You're pussyfooting around. Yes, you want to know why I went to her mother. I went to her mother because I had my suspicions about you two. And you keep lying to me. And if I can't find the truth from my husband, I will find it elsewhere.
All of this was your idea, right? She getting pregnant, or you find her, everything was your idea. And me think unfair enough, we already put our body through so much things, and our mother put her through so much things right now. For she up on the road, I run up and down, you know. So what expect me did for do? Just leave her out there because her mother left her out there with free baby? Eh? The one where you should not carry?
You know, you're a narcissist. And I'm slowly beginning to realize this.
Here we go again.
The doctor never say it's 100% my fault. So it could have been you that don't have the proper genes for carry this baby inside of me. Don't touch me. But every single time we argue about this, you're making it seem as if I am incapable of having a child, and that's why we are in this position. That is always your stance. Don't touch me. Don't touch me if you never want to hear what argument you're going to bring out here. Don't do that. Are you crazy? She can stay here, you know. But one glimpse of something fishy going on around here and both of you are out. Listen, I'm sorry about all of the ruckus that you heard a while ago. It's not usual for me and my husband to argue, but...
Alright, listen, I guess I made the wrong decision. So I'm just gonna leave, right? I'm just gonna leave. I don't know what will come out of this, but let's have to find some go. No matter anyone longer right now.
So where are you gonna go?
I don't know, but I guess I'm just gonna leave the place.
I need to know where you're gonna go. You're carrying my child.
If I evil to sleep on the road, just to make myself comfortable right now.
We really got off to a bad or a rough start, but we can fix this, all right? We don't have to be, we can be cordial towards each other. He already brought you here, the damage is already done. Let's just move forward. All right, this is the kitchen. This is where you cook your meals. You can watch TV over here. There's a terrace out here that you can hang out. I'll take you to the guest quarters and show you where you'll be staying, all right? Let's go.
Oh yeah, watch cartoon?
Yeah, cartoon I watch.
You know, say watch up something.
Yeah, I watch cartoon, man. I'm not seeing nothing else to watch, so I just go and watch it.
Say eat already?
Yeah, I eat, I'm good, man. Alright.
Oh. So you feel like your baby a move?
No, the baby not move yet. Belly not even start to show or nothing yet.
Oh, anytime I feel him start move, just call me, you know, because I want if he did it when he make him first move.
Alright.
So if you want anything at all, no, just don't be afraid to tell me, yeah? You know, say a long time I don't watch him, so yeah. Like we know, say them have Mario cartoon. Like,
You eat already?
huh?
You eat already?
Oh, yeah, me eat, me just eat, man, I'm a good man. There I watch
I wanna watch.
Mario. Like, that's why they done it. Right, I used to play that game when I was younger, you know. It on James Bond. Like, me did that one I could Nintendo game.
Babes, why is the pasta all over the place like this?
Just finish washing, so come.
I'm there.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside, when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your